Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best Night Vision Car DVR in this video? I will show you the top 5 best Night Vision Car DVRs to buy right now in your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and on my research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more to find out more information about these products. You can check out the links down in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Item number 5 is Pre-Link Car Colorful Night Vision Car DVR. Specifications. Brand name, Pre-Link Car. Frames per second, 30. Battery life, 32 hours. View angle, less than 105 degrees. Number of lenses, 2. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 8 inches. Display, IPS. Max external memory, 128GB. Video code, H.264. Item number 4 is 4-channel Dashcam 10 inches IPS video recorder. Specifications. Brand name, Wexun. Chipset manufacturer, MTK6735. Frames per second, 25. View angle, 150 degrees minus 160 degrees. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Pixels, 800 mega. Display, IPS. As the item number 3, we've selected Lanmoto Vast Pro Night Vision. Specifications. Brand name, Lanmoto. Chipset manufacturer, Allwinner. Frames per second, 25. View angle, 170 degrees. Number of lenses, 1. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX327. Screen ratio, 16:9. Display size, 8 inches. Display, IPS. Max external memory, 128GB. Item number 2 is 4-channel 2K plus 1080p plus 1080p video recorder. Specifications. Brand name, Meiyu Star. View angle, 170 degrees. Voltage, 12 volts. Screen resolution, 1920 by 1080. Display size, 3.5 inches. Video code, H.264. Pixels, 1200 mega. Frames per second, 30. And finally, the item number 1 in our list is Fitcamx Dashcam 4K UHD. Specifications. Brand name, Fitcamx. Frames per second, 30. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. View angle, 105 degrees minus 140 degrees. Screen ratio, 16:9. Video code, H.264. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Imaging sensor, GC4653. Pixels, 800 mega.